Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very effective and best strategy you can use in trading synthetic indices, volatility 75, gold, forex pairs, and whatever, guys. This is pure price action. So when I mean pure price action, it means that you can use it to analyze charts by following candlesticks, right, which is applicable to all markets and all time frames. So you want to watch this video till the end, because this will be the only video, I mean what I say, the only strategy you need in 2026 to make the amount of profits you wish, because this is my personal strategy, guys, which I usually sell, but now I'm giving it for free. All right, so make sure that you follow till the end and make sure you react to this strategy.
Okay, traders, welcome to my channel. I am Full Kingsley. By the grace of God, I bring to you guys strategies, tutorials on the forex market, volatility indices, metals like gold, Nasdaq, VIX 75, many other instruments. You want to subscribe to the channel by hitting on the subscribe button and notification bell to not miss out.
All right, so I started by telling you guys that it is a strategy that actually works for all markets. All right, meaning that you just pay attention on what I'm doing. Don't focus on what particular pair I'm doing. Don't say, oh, you trade only gold, maybe I'm using it for synthetic indices, or you trade only synthetic indices, I'm using on gold. It is a price action strategy that works for all markets. So make sure you follow attentively. Now, these are trades that we have taken before and after, which we will actually break it down to you. Right now, before we begin, you need to first of all understand one thing: the market is actually moving in. I'm going to take a screenshot of some of the trades that I took so that you guys can be able to see as well. But for now, let's just straight to the analysis. All right, so why you want to understand is the market moves in impulsive moves and pullbacks. Right, if you see a market structure, the first thing you want to know if the market is in a downtrend or the market is in an uptrend. Okay, now if you notice that price is in a downtrend, what do you want to do? You want to be looking mostly for sales. If in an uptrend, you want to be looking mostly for buy. And for those who don't know, right, when they say market is in an uptrend, it simply means it's creating higher highs and higher lows. I assume that you are watching my other videos. All right, if you're not watching, you should go and watch so that I've explained this details, market structure and all of that. But now, when you see that price is in a downtrend, it creates low and pulls back, right? It creates the next low and pull back. This is a downtrending market, right? But now if it's in an uptrend, it's doing this, creating higher highs, higher lows, right? This is what we call an uptrending market. But now, when do you want to be taking your trades? Now, what we want to do is, we notice that price moving in impulsive moves and pullbacks, impulsive moves and pullback, impulsive moves and pullback. So we want to wait for price to create a pullback before we enter and take the next impulsive move, right? We want to wait for price to pull back to take the next impulsive move. That is when we are trading trending market. So this strategy applies to trending markets. All right, now if you look at our charts now, let me give an example of this particular market. You'll notice that these are trades that we get earlier on. All right, you notice that price moves in impulsive moves. This is a good example of a trending market. It moves in impulsive moves, it pulls back. It creates impulsive move, it pulls back. It creates impulsive move, it pulls back. All right, so now what do I do? What I do now is, since I already realized that price is creating impulsive moves and pullbacks in a downtrend, what I need to do is identify the resistance level and the support level. Now the resistance level for a downtrending market will be the use of trend lines. We are going to use trend lines. So what we simply do is we take our trend lines, looking for instance a swing like this. All right, what we simply do is we pick our trend line and we connect. Anywhere we see that price has reacted many times, you connect like this. Okay, you just connect. You see that here we have a lot of rejection, so you connect and drag. You notice that with a lot of price action, when a resistance gets broken, it becomes support. When support gets broken, it becomes resistance. So once you connect like this, these are the highs. You notice now that you drag it down. You notice that when price comes, it rejects here, it creates a low. It comes, most likely it rejects, it creates a low, it rejects, it creates a low. Right. So once you have connected and drag it down, what do you want to do now? Now you want to be looking for your entries in smaller time frame. Make sure you watch my other videos on top of the analysis as well. So when price get this low and start pulling back, we have identified our level like this. What we want to do now is what we simply wait. We don't want to just wait for price to pull back here and we sell. No, we want to wait for a confirmation that that trend line level is going to be respected. So what do? We wait for price to pull back. When price pull back now, we wait for price to reject from the trend line. We see doji candle, which is a rejection candle, or evening star candle. What we do, we connect this bottom and wait for price to break below. Once price break below, we sell with strong pressure. What we want to do now is we sell, because we see now that this impulsive move has been completed, the pullback or retracement has been completed, the next impulsive move is about to take place. So what we do now, we take our entry by selling like this. So, and then when we enter, we have our previous low, which is the zone below. So this line below, I just connect this trend line below for purpose of TP. You might not connect it. The one above is more important, but you notice that when price move in channels, it respects this level. So what you want to do, you wait for price to pull down. When price pull down, it creates the next breakout, create break structure, create the new low, and what happens, it pulls back to this level, right? And then what happens, we connect this level, the low here. We don't just sell immediately above here. You see that it got to this previous high here, and if you want to increase your trend line, you can add your trend lines to get it. You see, when you reject, you wait for what price to break below. All right, so you notice now that what happened, when price rejected, it consolidated, break below, strong positive candle, strong bearish incoming candle here. What we sell, and then see that price drops powerfully, and you can continue doing this until the trend is exhausted. We have the next impulsive move, price consolidates, pull back, get to this level here, rejected, and what happened, the next thing, price breaks out, we sell, and then we catch that move. And what happened, finally price broke below. Now look at the trend line we drew from down, because we notice that price has been rejecting many times. So you draw a trend line in a level where price has rejected more than once, more than twice, because that zone is going to be used as a key zone in the future. You might not see the use now, but you see, notice that as soon as price break below this level here, this was another opportunity for people who sell aggressively. They will sell immediately, but I don't sell aggressively sometimes. We waited for what price to consolidate and come back to that trend line. When it came back now, rejected around that trend line level, what do we wait? We draw our trend line below. This is a breakout entry, so we draw a trend line below and wait for what price to break below this trend line. And if you look very well, you notice that in our free Telegram channel, we gave the signal yesterday. This was the level here. When price came back rejected, we gave the sell signal here on our free Telegram channel. Remember, this strategy works for all market, guys. Just understand it well. Whatever market you're trading, gold, volatility, indices, whatever, just apply the strategy. You will see that it works perfectly. So when we get the signal here, this is it here. Okay, what finally happened? Price had to move just as we are, and now we have broken structure, created the next low. We want to wait for the next pullback, guys. So that is basically how it is. If you are enjoying this video so far, guys, please make sure you hit on that thumbs up button and then watch as many times as you can, and also make sure that you back test the strategy so that you understand. Scroll back your charts, try to see the same thing that happened in the past. That will help you to master it well. All right, and then guys, we give free Telegram channel signals on synthetic indices, particularly volatility indices and Weltrade indices like volatility 75 and all the rest. You can join our free Telegram channel. Just go to Telegram and search Trading with Kingsley, or you go to this video pin comment below, and I'm going to drop a link to the channel. You can join free, right? You get free signals and all of that. And if you are a busy person, right, you can copy my trades. We are actually started copy trading, especially on Weltrade indices. All you need to do is you link your trading account to my trading account. What does that mean? It means that once you deposit a minimum, you create a Weltrade account and deposit a minimum of $50 to $100. All right, once you deposit a minimum of $50 to $100 upwards, right, you are going to, after creating your Weltrade account, you are going to link. I've made a video on this channel where I've showed you how to link your trading account with mine. You have entire access to your trading account alone, but what happens is if I take a trade on my account, it automatically copies to your account. This is funds. These are just funds of traders who actually create, people who are copying my trading. Just a deposit of 50, 100, 50, 100, this amount of $1,400 of traders, and this is my equity curve of the past 1 week. I think we are already about 13% off. We are not doing high risk, we are not taking too much risk, we are growing consistently. So when you copy my trades, that's all you have to do. You are going to make consistent profit every month, and you are sure to withdraw profits from your trading account. This is a rare opportunity you don't want to miss, right? Make sure you write me through the numbers on the video description, or on Telegram, you send me a message if you want to take part in this copy trading. Weltrade is just a broker like Deriv that offers both synthetic indices and forex, and it has been existing for more than 19 years. All right. So once you do that, you're going to copy my trades free. Join our Telegram channel free as well. Make sure that you write me, and then I'm going to get you links. Right. If you look, there are a lot of examples. I don't want this video to be too long. We have given other signals on synthetic indices as well. Step index, volatility 75 on this same channel. These are other trades that we do. This volatility 10 that we do at CP. We had the same entry technique. This is step index that we get. Look at it, the same entry techniques, and then it hits CP, guys. All right, this is one of the trades. This one hits stop loss. Actually, it's one of the trades that hits stop loss, and then I think many of the trades, these are the trades that we get before, right? This is before and after trades hitting TP all over. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's just the same strategy. So guys, this is a very good strategy that I'm sharing with you. This is another synthetic indices, which is Weltrade indices. These are all signals that we get on our channel using this strategy that I'm giving to you guys free. All right, I'm not withholding anything. I'm showing you exactly how I take my trades, and I have a very high win rate. You can check the result from my Telegram channel. Look, guys, these are my trades. These are trades. These are all signals that I get. They are all signals. We have a very few losing rate, have high winning rate. So that's basically it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this is a gift that I'm giving to you guys, a strategy that the only strategy that you need in 2026. If you master it well, back test it well, it's going to work for you perfectly. And in the meantime, like I said, you can copy my trades if you are busy. You can join our free Telegram channel. So please, guys, make sure you also support this channel as we are giving you content like this for free. Make sure you also give us a thumbs up, like the video when you watch if you know that it helps you. Write in the comment section, comment, all right, and then you can also share with other people to benefit from it. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. See you on the Telegram channel.